This screencast will introduce the powerful administration page, showing how to access data and organize instructors' information involved with it. Please use the Administration tab on the sidebar menu to access this page. The first tab on the left is the Admin Snapshot. Click on the gray boxes to load the data. You can see how many instructors and students are in your institution and how many bulbs have been created. You can also see the cumulative student engagement hours, the number of bulbs that have been delivered to students, and all the valuable data that can help you monitor the usage of PlayPosit in your institution. If you want to examine the data from a particular school or organization, please use the gear icon on the top to select the desired school or organization. You can also adjust the time frame for the display data to best fit your need. On the Organizations tab, administrators can see all the organizations and schools in their institution. There are names and branding image of the organizations, and what integration each organization has. Also, you can click on the instructors icon to view a list of instructors in that organization, or click on the bulbs icon to view all the bulbs created by the instructors in that organization. On the All Instructors tab, there's a list of all the instructors in the institution. You can see their names, which organization they are in, how many bulbs they have built, and their last login time. Administrators can use the filter tools to find the instructors in a particular school or organization. Also, see who has the admin authorization by toggling on the Filter by Admin Only option. It can help you ensure that all the administrators have the admin authorizations and no instructors are accidentally set to administrators. You can also add a new instructor account with this tab. Click on the Add Instructors button on the top left and then input the required information for the new instructor. If you want to set up multiple instructors at once, please use the CSV upload feature and upload the instructor roster to create an account for them. Also, you can always export all the data on this page by clicking on the Data Export button. Sometimes, instructors might encounter difficulties building a bulb and require your support. You can use the Instructor Login button to log in to their account and provide direct support to them. It is a powerful tool to help you troubleshoot with the instructor and help them overcome any difficulties they might encounter when building their bulbs. Please remember to log out from the instructor's account after using this function. On the Media Library tab, you can see all the bulbs that the instructors in your institution create. There is a basic information about each bulb, and you can search or apply filters to find the desired bulb. You can see the tree view on the left side. It can help you organize the bulb based on the organization. You can also create folders and subfolders to organize them. If the tree view does not appear on the left, click on the tree view button on the top right to enable it. As an administrator, you can edit all the bulbs in your institution. Click on the thumbnail image and select Edit, and it will open the bulb designer in a new window that allows you to edit the bulb. By doing so, you will become a co-owner of this bulb. Also, you can assign all the bulbs in your institution to your courses in the LMS system. When linking a PlayPosit to the LMS, click on the Administration tab on the sidebar menu, go to the Media Library, and click on the LMS icon in front of the desired bulb to assign it to the LMS. After assigning it to your courses, you will become the co-owner of this bulb. I hope this video helps you learn more about the PlayPosit administration page. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at success@playposit.org. Thank you.